How to apply for your U-Card. Begin the process by going on to yorku.ca/ucard/apply. The application can be completed from your laptop or phone. The first step to applying is taking your photo. Let's take an ideal U-Card photo. The aim is to take a passport-like photo. Make sure your photo does not have a busy background. Avoid any yellowish backgrounds or use of door frames. Make sure that you're properly in frame and that your face is not cut off. Do not pose or make silly faces during the photo. Avoid the use of any filters, photoshopping or altering your photos, and wearing sunglasses or hats. Avoid any harsh or uneven lighting. Do not use a photo of a photo. When you have satisfied these criteria and your photo reflects your true appearance, snap and submit. Here are some examples of accepted photos. After taking your photo, the next step is to upload a piece of government ID. If you're an international student, please use your passport as your ID. Prior to applying, make sure that your legal and chosen name is documented with the University Registrar's Office. If your name does not match your ID, please visit the Student Personal Information website to make a correction. Final step, review and submit your application. Application review typically takes 3 to 5 business days. You will receive an email denoting the status of your application, and alternatively, you can sign back onto the U-Card website to check your status. You are now one step closer to getting your U-Card. Check out our next video on how to add your mobile U-Card.